Moore's law states that computer power doubles every 18 months. This means that at Christmas, for example, we more or less expect our computers to be almost twice as powerful as they were in the previous Christmas.
Computer power has doubled every 18 months for nearly 40 years. It has led to unprecedented economic growth. But some believe that all this progress is about to grind to a halt. The problem relates to nothing less than the fundamentals of physics. It seems there is a limit to how small silicon can go before it begins to break down.
So this is a copper wire which acts like a pipeline for electrons. Electrons travel through it, and it's just like a piece of silicon. And just like a silicon transistor, we can actually turn it on, in which case the light bulb lights, and turn it off, and turn it on, and turn it off. And it works perfectly.
But to pack more silicon transistors onto a chip means you need to make them smaller.
So if you're following Moore's law, and you're cramming more and more transistors onto the silicon, you have to make everything smaller in all dimensions. So we have to make this wire thinner. And when we do that, something very different happens when we switch it on.
Just like this wire, when silicon transistors shrink down to a certain size, they will just fizzle and die.
What worries many people is that when you make a silicon transistor this small, at the very smallest possible, it just doesn't work like this.
The implications of this one small fact are immense.